Thermodynamics, for instance, is utilized to comprehend the behavior of the air in the atmosphere, which is required for aircraft to fly as well as to design and optimize aircraft engines, and to comprehend and anticipate the performance of aircraft in flight. And additionally, it is used to comprehend and forecast the performance of aircraft during flight as well as build and improve the engines, the power aircraft. In order to maintain the comfort and safety of passengers, thermodynamics is also applied in the design of aircraft system, including heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. An important area of physics called thermodynamics examines the connection between heat energy and work in order to build and analyze systems that include the transmission of heat and energy. Aircraft maintenance students must have a solid understanding of thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is crucial for understanding the performance and efficiency of these systems, as well as for creating new technologies and materials that can enhance their performance. This includes engines, power plants, and heating and cooling systems. Thermodynamics are crucial for comprehending how the system affect the environment for creating sustainable energy solutions and overall.